Baked feta pasta became super popular on the internet and for a good reason. It's creamy, cheesy, and full of flavor. Even if you're not a great cook, this dish is easy to make and tastes like something from a fancy restaurant. Let's look at 3 cool facts about baked feta pasta that make it such a fun and tasty meal to try at home. Fact number 1, feta cheese is the main ingredient in this dish is feta cheese. Feta is a white, crumbly cheese made from goat or sheep milk. When you bake it, it becomes soft and creamy, which makes it perfect for mixing into pasta. In the recipe, a block of feta cheese is baked in the oven with cherry tomatoes and olive oil. When it comes out of the oven, it melts and turns into a rich, cheesy sauce that coats the pasta. Fact number 2, it only uses a few ingredients. One of the best parts about baked feta pasta is that it's really simple. You only need a few ingredients: cherry tomatoes, a block of feta cheese, olive oil, pasta like pen, rotini, or Bodhi's garlic, fresh basil, and chili flakes optional. You bake the feta and tomatoes, boil the pasta, then mix it all together. That's it. Fact number 3, it went viral on social media. This recipe became famous because of a TikTok video. It became so popular that some grocery stores actually ran out of feta cheese. Thousands of people around the world started making it and sharing their own versions online. Since then, people have added their own twists, like using spinach, adding cooked chicken, or using different types of pasta or cheese. It's a great recipe to try your own creative ideas. Final thoughts: baked feta pasta is simple, tasty, and a lot of fun to make. With just a few ingredients, you can cook a meal that feels special and tastes amazing. It's a great recipe to try with friends or family, especially if you love cheese. What do you think about today's topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.